What's up guys, for today's video we're going to taste test thick water. Check this out, this is so unique. The only thing I heard is for the people who have problems swallowing, so that would be drinking. And the most important, as you can see, it's only have 5 colors. Water has 0 colors, but this one just a little bit. 5 colors pretty much might as well be water. And it has a bunch of like sodium, carbohydrate 2 gram, sodium 5 gram, and calcium 44 milligram 4%. Cool, let's open it up and smell it. Smells a little bit lemony, but overall smells like water. This is so unique, look at that. Reminds me of холодец. Oh, this is so thick, check this out. I hope it's good. This is crazy. Looks like straight up холодец, or like delight, whatever you call it, marmalade. Okay, hopefully it just tastes like nothing, just like water. Ah! Woo! Woo! No! Oh, I'm sorry guys, whoever have to drink this, I'm so sorry. I did not expect for it to be thick water taste like that. This is crazy. I couldn't even do one gulp from it. Is it really says water? Yeah, thickened water made with pure artisan mineral water. This is a ready to drink, flavorless. Look at that. It looks like water when you move it kind of fast, but whenever you pour, it is very thick. This is crazy. Let's see if I can grab it. Yeah, it's definitely super thick. Ah, it doesn't even feel good on your finger. It feels like lotion. I know. Let's try to drink another little sip, and I will try to at least swallow it. They say flavorless, but it tastes like water. Water tastes like water, right? I guess it is flavorless, but we all know what water tastes like. It has this weird tint to it, but I feel like it just amplified. It is drinkable if you just don't think about it and try to drink it. And I honestly always open-minded and try to drink everything, but this thing surprisingly just does not want to go into my stomach. It makes me want to gag. I would have to sip on it very little bit at the time. I could not gulp it. Alright, I'm getting used to it. Nothing, it's all in your mind, you know what I mean? Once you get rid of that weird thing out of your mind, it's not that bad. It is. It's, there you go guys, it tastes stale. It tastes very stale. It has a weird smell to it. I hope I don't ever have to drink this again. I mean, I can drink it, I can block my mind off, I guess. I just didn't expect it for it to be that weird. And yeah, I will never drink it again. Let me know in the comments below, have you had this before? And this is very unique. Thank you for watching. Let me know in the comments below what should I do on taste test. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.